Hey everybody, I know it's been a long time since I put a video up, but I'm testing out this new camera and it's looking pretty good. You can see the text in the display there. So I'm going to go ahead and do a drill test, which is all the 12 volt application or the 24 volt applications. So everything will go off with the exception of the voice evac. So only thing that's changed in the system is I went ahead and took these two detectors down because they kept giving me errors, and you can see them there. Let's see, atrium smoke 1 trouble, atrium smoke 2. If I hit question mark, it tells me that the head is dirty and also that it's unplugged. So that's the diagnostic there. Also on the monitor, the exhaust fan is in pre-alarm. It did get down to 18 degrees last night, and it's currently 20 degrees up here. So that's part of what's throwing that one off. It's on the exterior wall. So, and I also added this Genesis strobe. It's only the strobe, not a horn strobe. So that'll be included in the test. So here we go. Chime strobe. The speaker strobe back there. So we're going to hit drill again to cancel. And there it went. At some point I will install some of these Genesis horn strobes. There's 2 ceiling mounts and there's a bunch that are the regular mounts there. They're all white. See under monitor. Let's see what this one is. No. Oh, we can try a different one. See if that one will go off. This one might be more sensitive. There it goes.
Attention. An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway.
Alarm silence.
Attention. An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the
System reset
exit or fire exit stairway. Attention.
And there it goes. So it's still going to have a monitor issue. System trouble because the 2 smokes are not connected anymore. It also may still be in pre-alarm because of how much I put in there. So So let's see what we have. Corridor smoke 1. That's right. It doesn't have any information on it. But I would assume that it is in pre-alarm because it's under the monitor condition, and also I just bombarded it with the aerosol there. So let's look over at the troubles again. Atrium 1, Atrium 2, and then there's the pool station. I still have not been able to get that to work. Maybe somebody can share with me the information on that. I'm using these monitor modules, and every time I hook up a device to it, it automatically sets the alarm off. So if you have any information on that, I'd be interested to know. And silence. Thanks for watching.